Hey guys, so here we got this unknown ceiling fan. I don't know what it is, but it looks cool. Show you. Light. Very stupid. Does barely even works anymore. It's light. We'll start off on low.
Yeah, the switch might not be. Oh, it is.
So that's low.
Oh my gosh, you're already
Yeah.
Because thinning, I'm not good at.
These are really hard to pull. I don't know if I'll be able to. I'll be lucky if I'll even be able to demonstrate it. Medium. So that's medium.
Pastor Reverend, could I ask you to pray for
That's medium.
Yes, sure.
And then here goes high.
Our Heavenly Father, what a blessing to be able to come together and
Here you go. Alright, so that's high speed.
that we're part of a very, very special
Which is probably what I'm going to leave it on because I don't really feel it constantly
I
doing
thank you, dear
that.
God.
Yeah,
I thank you that
bye.
your word is sufficient.